gone ahead and created the InActions video listing page as you see here. There's really no reason for us to go through the whole process of creating a new template file. You pretty much already know how to do that. But anyway, I have this icon here that looks similar to YouTube's icon, and I have a little brief about what video it is I'm going to show you. Well, I'm going to go ahead and click on that icon now so you can see how we link over to this video. And here it is. I can go ahead and hit play right now, but I'm not going to do that. But I've gone ahead and used our template file that lets us put a description. Let's put the video actually in here, and maybe even some text describing what that video is about. And that again is linked back to our InActions video page that you see right here. We're going to show you how to do this whole process and actually introduce a new feature inside of working with tables inside your template. So real quickly on how I created the icon, if I go to Photoshop here, you can actually see how I actually created that particular icon right here. I just went out and found some art. I created a new JPEG file, pasted it in here, added a little layer effect here. As you can see, we can see the little bevel. I saved it for web, put it in my website images folder so where I can call it up from there. Now back over here in Dreamweaver, I've gone ahead and I started doing that. In the previous video on the InActions photographs one, I was creating a table row above the actual row I'd already created. Now what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to create one below that. So I'll go ahead and hit the create the new table row icon here, as you see right there, insert row below. I'm going to come over here to this first cell, and I'm just going to go insert image, and I'm going to go find that icon that I created in my website images folder. Well, since I named it YouTube, I think it's kind of down here at the end. Let me go ahead and go back up here at the top, because I think I sorted on the top. Yeah, there it is, YouTube icon. So you can see here's in the preview. So hit OK, and I'll put that in there. I'm just going to say YouTube video icon. That's how you do. Then I'll just go ahead and copy and paste this. Actually, copy and paste this text here, and I'll drop it down into this new row that I created. Now, a lot of times when you're using Dreamweaver, you can't actually see that real well. The way to refresh that without having the refresh button here is to go over to Live View, click on Live, and then go Turn Live Off, and there you see it. So on this one, on the InActions video for this one, I'm going to say we're going to go see a video we've seen several times. We're going to say the Blanco CNC mill in action. Okay, I'm just going to go over here and copy this right here, this C video. Just copy that, do a Control C, do a Control V, and paste into this cell right there. Now again, when you look at that, it's got the previous one already set up out here. Well, that's okay. We can work around that. So we'll come back and change that. So we'll go ahead and save the file here for now, and then we'll go ahead and create a file for a new template. We do a Control N, as you see here, and we can go to Page from Template, and we're going to just use the image description template. So we're going to select that, hit Create, and we're going to put a icon. Actually going to create the text here for the description and the caption. Say Blanco CNC mill in action, right there. Okay, and we'll come down here and we'll select in this field. Now this is where it gets fun. I use YouTube for hosting all of my videos for a couple of important reasons. One, I can create my own channel where people can get access to my YouTube videos. They can see what I'm doing, and I can get people to follow me and subscribe to my channel as well. Well, let's go over here real quickly and go to YouTube. So I'm going to come over here and bring up this YouTube video that I'd previously created in YouTube. Now, I create this channel so people can follow the videos and tutorials and stuff that I create. You can do the same for yourselves. You can also do it as a means by which to draw more people to your site by using subscribe and all the features in YouTube. Well, enough of that right now. But anyway, I've got this video up here. I want to get the code that allows me to take this YouTube video and put it inside my web page that I'm creating. So when you bring this video up in YouTube, you'll come down here and you'll see some things like share, the share button right here. That's the real critical one. So we'll click on that and it opens it up. And you can see all the different ways you can share. You know, Facebook, Twitter, Google+, you know, variety of different ways you can do social media and share it with. Well, that's not what I'm looking for in that. What I'm looking for is the actual embed code. And when I click on the embed code, it gives me this iframe tag that shows me the video size. That's what I want. That's real important because that allows me to put it into my website. So with that highlighted in blue, I'll go ahead and do a Control C to copy. Then I'll go back to Dreamweaver here, and I'll come up and and here in Dreamweaver, and I'm in the actual design view. I don't need to be in design view on this. I need to go to split view. I'm in that cell, and what I'll do is scroll down and find my blinking cursor, which you see right here. I've already created a center tag from the previous video when we did on creating the template. I'm going to highlight that space character there, and I'll do a Control V and paste that in here. And it took the YouTube information that you see here, and it pasted it into our code right here on the code side of our split view. And you see a little preamble over here in the design view side that shows the video block. Now what I'm going to do is come down here and go back to design view, and I'm going to key in some descriptor text here about this video. Okay, so I've got that text in, and again, if you can't see your text, go to live view, and it'll bring this up and show it to you here in a second. Okay, when you see it in design view, actually live view and design view, it shows the video is blank, but you can actually see the text down here that I just put in. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and get out of live view, stay in design view, and that's pretty much what I need to see right there. Okay, so now what I want to do is I need to save this file. So again, using my same file management structure that I've been using, I'll do a file save as, and I'll scroll down here to in action, and you'll see right here, you'll see in action videos, and I've already got one created for the Fox News story, so I'll click on in actions videos, which is my main page. Then I'll come down here at the very end, and I'll put underscore CNC, all lowercase. And again, I'm a version control guy, so I'll put my 001 there and go ahead and save that. Now, with that name already in there, I'm going to come back and this all looks pretty good right here. So what I'm going to do is I will select on the video here, and I'll go ahead and just click off to the side, do a Control-Shift-U, and upload it to my web server. So as it's going up to my web server, I'm going to go back over here to the In Actions video. Now I'm going to take this link here, this YouTube icon that I created. I'm going to link it over here to my file listing. Now sometimes on the file listings you got to come scroll down. There it is right there. So go ahead and link this guy up here to that, and so that's linked up. We'll come over here to this one right there, and see it's already got the slipstream because we copied that text. We're going to go back and now relink it to the one about the CNC mill. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and upload that to the server as well. Go ahead and select yes to all, and it's going to upload your file. So while it's doing that, I'm going to go back over here to Google Chrome, and I'm going to go find that particular web page, and as you can see here, it is right here. Now we'll do a force update, and there's our story about the Blanco mill. So now what I'll do is click on this and test it out, and sure enough, it goes to that page and it opens up the YouTube here. So let's go back to videos and see if this link works as well. Yep, it works really well. So now all I have to do is click on this link, and it opens up my story about YouTube. And turn that noise off. And now what we'll do is here you can see, just watch it directly on YouTube from their icon, and then pull it up directly into YouTube, and you can see it there. Okay. So we'll just go back to our, stop this, and go back to our page. One thing about clicking on the YouTube icon is it goes ahead and opens up a new window in Google Chrome for you to look at, or your web browser. Okay, that's how you do it. It's not that hard. And again, we'll go back to our listings page to see what we've done. This is a very simple process. It lets you manage your videos very, very well, and actually draws a lot of people to your site.